Do you remember the days when the first thing you used to do after purchasing a smartphone was to run to the nearest local mobile store and get a screen guard installed on your device? Do you remember that? I am a 90s kid, so I have done that for so many of my devices, including HTC P3400, a Samsung Galaxy i7500. I just cannot list it on the device, otherwise a whole 1 hour will pass. But this is 2026 and a lot has changed. To put a screen guard on your phone doesn't require you to visit any local mobile store, although you can go there if you want. Or you can use a product by Spigen which let you install the smartphone screen guard right at your home. So I'm gonna do that. So I wanted to share it with you. So follow along and see how you can install it and what are the challenges you face. So this is my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Do you know that this screen was installed when I bought this device in 2022? This has held quite well. Even my case is also now worn out. It's broken. So in the next video, I will show you which case is this, and this is also 2.5 years old. So that's for next video. But this is my phone looks like after so many years. You can see this is just dust, and I have maintained it really well. I do maintain everything, but I am not able to maintain my life. So that's a sad sound you are listening from my heart. So this screen guard is broken, as you can see. There is a crack because I have a toddler and my daughter throws it just like a football. So it's broken. So let's remove it. So I only installed this and it held pretty well. See, even now the adhesive is holding it so well that when I'm just leaving it, it's just going back. And after so many years, the screen also worn off. This there were so many scratches on this. You can see, right, there are so many scratches. There are so many minor scratches which was making the whole display look dull. But yeah, we are gonna install a new one. So this is how you have to do it. First, take the device and make sure the floor is clean wherever you are working. Although you will get a lot of things in the package, but still I'm gonna clean my table. You guys saw me in the boxer. I know my boxers are funny. My life itself is funny. You are worrying about a set of boxers. What a pun, man. This is cool. I'm doing this because there should not be any dust here. And I have a big problem because I have cats. I have 4 cats. So I'm sure that the fur will come in between. This is looking good now. Now let's unbox this Spigen screen guard. It comes in this box and you get 2 pieces of screen guard here, not one. Yeah, so this is how it comes. You will get 2 pieces. You will get all the tools you need. So I'm just gonna keep one aside for future. This is the whole set which will be used to install the screen guard. This is the screen guard with a layer here. You have to remove it. I will show you each step, don't worry. And here is the manual which will explain how to install this. Everything is mentioned here. Like, first you have to clean the phone, then you have to remove the back film from this. From here we will remove the black film, and then we have to put it on the phone, and it fits perfectly because this plastic case is of your phone's size. And then you have to run your finger in this space. So there is a space here, you have to put it and then run it. After that you have to remove the sticker, and then you have to remove the plastic case, and then you have to remove the protection film, and then you have to use this device to run it like this on the screen so that everything sticks very well. And if there are any bubbles or anything, you have to remove it. There are a lot of tools here. It comes with a lens and screen cleaning wipe. You will need this, so I'm gonna just get one of them. And then there will be a microfiber cloth, and then there is a dust remover sticker. Suppose when you have applied the screen guard and you see any dust here, so you can use this to remove it. And let's prepare the phone for the application. So first I'm gonna remove this wipe, and then I'm gonna clean my phone thoroughly. It has alcohol because I can smell it. So you have to clean it very well. You see this here? That's the problem of when you have cats. I just hope it doesn't come up when I install the phone screen guard. So it's clear. Now the phone is quite clear. Still you have to use this cloth to clean it. You will see there are a lot of minor pieces of dust and everything coming up. You have to remove this film. There is this back written, right? Just remove this. You will see the top and bottom written here. So I'm gonna stick it here and just pray that no dust. Once you have put it like this, just slide and you will hear this voice, crackling voice when the adhesive binds with the screen. Now you have to remove this. Do like this. So the task of this thing is done. It's not good for environment though. Now you can see that stuck on the phone very well. Now you can remove this film. We have done a fantastic job of applying the, so this is how it looks, and it went so flawlessly this time. There is just a minor this here, but I'm so happy. So yeah, this is how you can install the screen guard right from the comfort of your home, enjoying the dust you have in your home. And I think life has never been sorted for the smartphone. It's fantastic. So surprisingly, I didn't even need this tool, but just in case if you see any bubble on your device, you can just use this to press it like this. If there is any bubble like on the corners of the screen, you can push it like this. So this is how it works. The extra screen guard, you can keep it and you can use it just in case in future if your screen guard worn out or it breaks. I hope this video is helpful and you will be able to do such thing at the comfort of your home. Make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.